We recently shot a video on the most difficult things to fix on an automobile. Today we're going to address one of those, which is random situations or intermittent problems. Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So first of all, the best way to solve any problem on a car is what we call the scientific process. And the scientific process is when you have a problem, you form a hypothesis, and then you do tests proving or disproving that hypothesis. If it's correct, you came up with the answer. If the hypothesis was wrong, then you form another hypothesis and you start over again. The problem with randoms or intermittents, if the problem's not there, how do you test for it? And then secondly, if the problem's not there, do we end up chasing the wrong problem because we didn't reproduce it? So the number one thing you can do for your shop is to first of all, go for a road test with somebody. Show them the problem. If you can show them the problem, you're golden. Secondly, gather as much information as you can on how to regularly reproduce the issue. Because if you give the technician the information he needs so that he can reproduce it, then he can diagnose it properly. So I hope that helps you understand intermittents and randoms a little bit better. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.